In this video, I'll show you how to leave a WhatsApp group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. And if for any reasons like you want to leave a WhatsApp group, what we're gonna do right now, this is our WhatsApp, right? So I'm gonna click on it, right? What we're gonna do right now, you're gonna right click your mouse. If you right click your mouse, you're gonna see the exit group, right? You're gonna see the exit group. So let's say if there's any reasons you want to exit the group, let's say you have completed the tasks you were sent to do in the group, or for any reasons, you're gonna just click on this exit group, right? What you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the exit, right? So once you have clicked on the exit, you're gonna leave the group automatically. So if you look right here, you can't send messages to this group because you're no longer a member. So what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna click your mouse, right click your mouse, close chat, come on here as well, delete, right? So this is how you can leave a group here on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the next one.